So, hi guys! Welcome po sa Hugot Sipnayan. Ito nga po pala si Sir JV at welcome po sa ating channel Hugot Sipnayan. So, para po sa ating video for today guys, ang pag-uusapan po natin ay tungkol sa special product. Ito po yung third topic natin about special product, which is cube of binomial. So, we're done with product of sum and difference guys, and also we're done with square of binomial. Now, for today's video guys, ang gagawin naman natin ay cube of a binomial. So our purpose is to determine special products and to perform operation involving special products. So grade 7, second quarter. Kaya guys, kung bago kayo sa channel ko, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe sa ating channel Hugot Sipnayan at sa other channel kong Biyaheng Real Life TV. So don't forget to share the links sa ating mga estudyante and also sa ating mga classmate kung applicable o maganda sa inyo ang videong ito. So alam ko guys, excited na kayo to have our video. So tara guys, so let's have our video today. So guys, before we have some discussion about cube of binomial, so let's try to recall what is special product is. Pag sinabing special product, ito yung special cases ng pag-multiply ng polynomial na kung saan guys, ang product mismo niya ay may pattern or meron siyang isang unique identity na sinusunod o yung pattern nga mismo na madali mo siyang makita at madaling ma-solve. Under ng special product guys, yung product of sum of difference, square of binomial na we already made some video. At ngayon po, under nito yung cube of binomial at saka po square of trinomial. So, the remaining two video natin is about cube of binomial at saka po square of a trinomial. So, kapag na-encounter nyo guys yung special product, no need for you to put some solution, automatic, madali nyo po siyang sagutan. Kaya po tinawag sa special product, disregard natin guys yung rule ng long method kapag po tayo ay nagsosolve. So, usually guys, ito yung mga pattern na makikita natin whenever we're trying to deal with special product. At ngayon guys, ang ating titingnan pansin ay yung ating cube of binomial. So, a plus b, the quantity a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. So, yan po yung ating bibigyan pansin para alam ninyo kung kailan siya pwede siyang gamitin. So, cube of binomial. Now, syempre, before we have yung mismong nating pattern, alamin naman natin kung paano nabuo yung pattern na yun at saan siya nanggaling. So, we're going to simplify guys, a plus b cube. So, quantity a plus b cube. So, ang pag ginamit natin yan guys, pwede tayong gumamit ng special product for a plus b squared, which is yung under ng square of binomial. Nakukuha natin guys yung a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Ngayon, ang kailangan natin i-multiply yung ating square of binomial sa other a plus b para makuha natin guys yung remaining pattern para sa cube of binomial. So, ang gagamitin natin guys na long method ay yung ating box method. So, multiplying a squared at saka a, pag multiply natin yan guys, a cube. Okay? So, a times 2a plus b, 2a squared b. So, dinidistribute natin guys ang a isa-isa. So, a times b squared, yun ay positive ab squared. So, meron tayong tatlong term na nabuo out of our given multiplication. So, ngayon naman guys, ang distribute natin ay b. So, a squared times b ay a squared b. Pag sinabi naman natin 2ab times b, yun po ay 2ab squared. At yun namang b times b squared ay b cube. So guys, after nating mabuo yan mga kahugot, ang gagawin po natin, i-combine natin yung mga like terms. So yung 2a squared b at saka a squared b, at saka po yung ab squared at saka 2ab squared. Now, combining all of those like terms, mabuo po natin yung 3a squared b at saka po yung 3ab squared. At dun guys, nabuo yung ating pattern na kapag kinuyub natin ang a plus b, dun mabuo tayong a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Na kung saan guys, yung A ang ating first term at yung B ang ating second term. So, anong gagawin natin kapag in-apply na natin to? We're just going to substitute the value of the first term of the binomial at saka guys, yung second term ng binomial as A and B. So, yun po yung gagawin natin, simple-simple. Okay? So, magkaroon tayo guys ng mga example. But before that guys, may pare-recall lang ako sa inyo. Ito guys yung square at saka cube. So, ito guys yung mga basic nating square at cubes mula 1 to 10. Now, bakit kailangan nyo itong ma-recall? Ito guys yung magpapadali sa inyo ng pagkuha ng square at cube ng mga number. O, for example, di ba? Ang given natin ay 10 cube. Ay hindi nyo alam, hindi mangyayari pa sa inyo magiging 10 times 10 times 10. Magmumultiply pa kayo. Di ba? But kung sa ulo nyo to or tandaan ninyo, kahit paano malalesen yung time ng pagkasagot ninyo. Example, ang square ng 1 guys, at saka cube niya ay 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, times 1 is another 1. That's cube. Ang square ng 1 ay 1, ang cube niya ay 1 also. Now, kapag naman 2, ang square ng 2 ay 4. It came from 2 times 2 guys, kaya naging 4. Tapos 4 times 2, kaya naging 8. Okay, yun po yung tatawag nating cube. Pag square naman guys, so, ng 3, 3 times 3 ay 9. Okay, 9 times 3 ay 27. Kaya po ang square niya ay 9, ang cube ay 27. So, the rest will follow guys. For number 4, ang square ay 16, ang cube ay 64. For number 5, ang ating square ay 25, ang cube ay 125. For square naman ng 6 guys, we have 36, at ang cube naman niya ay 216. For 7, ang square niya guys ay 49, at 343 naman ang kanyang cube. For 8, we have 64 for the square at saka 512 naman para sa cube. We have 81 para sa square ng 9 at 729 naman ang kanyang cube. At para naman sa 10 guys, we have 100 and for the cube we have 1,000. Ito guys, tandaan nyo lagi ha, laging positive po ang square. Pagdating guys sa cube, doon po nagbabago. O for example, nag-square ka guys ang negative number, automatic lahat po ng squared number ay laging positive. Kunyari, nag-square ka ng negative 2. Ang negative 2 squared guys ay positive 4. Nag-iiba lang guys ang sign pagdating sa cube. Kapag nilagay mo sa cube ang negative numbers, ang sagot po ay negative. Example, 2 times 2, negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. Ang sabi daw ay cube ng negative 2. Kaya yung 4, imumultiply natin guys sa negative 2, kaya po siya ay magiging negative 8. Kaya po pag negative 8 ang number, siya po ay negative. In short guys, kapag ni-raise mo ang negative number sa third power o sa cube, lagi po itong negative. At guys, kapag naman square, regardless ng sign, lagi po itong positive. So, tandaan nyo po yung guys ha, magpapadali po sa inyo yan sa pag-solve nyo guys ng tinatawag na cube of binomial. So, try natin. So, we're going to apply the rules for cube of binomial sa ating x plus 5 cube at saka quantity x minus 5 cube. So, ang ating first step, tandaan nyo to ha, determine the cube of each terms and put them as first term and last term of the product. So, pansin nyo naman, 4 po ang term ng ating sagot. Kaya po, ang kukunin natin ay yung first term at last term, o yung first term guys, o yung fourth term. Pang-4 ha. So, identify natin guys, ang first term ng binomial ay isang x. Yung isa naman guys ay 5 at saka negative 5. So, sa x plus 5, positive 5 tayo. Sa x minus 5, negative 5 yun. Okay? So, meron tayong guys table ngayon. Yung first term ng sagot, second term ng sagot, third term ng sagot, at last term o yung fourth term. Now, pag in-apply guys natin yung first term natin, ang sabi daw cube. Kaya po ay x times x times x. Matik po yan ay, nakita nyo dito sa ating screen. So, para silang x times x times x. ay x cube. Sa baba guys, the same. X times x times x, x cube din po. So, sa first term natin, wala silang pinagkaiba. Okay? Now, paano naman sa last term? Kung gagamit tayo guys ang positive 5 para po dito, we have 5 times 5 times 5, kaya po 125. Sa kabila naman banda guys, pag negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5, that is guys definitely ay negative 125. Kaya po ang given natin for x plus 5, ang last term po niya ay positive 125. Sa kabila naman guys, sa negative 5 ay negative 125. So yun na po, meron tayong guys sa first term at last term. So tandaan nyo guys ha, sa first step natin, get the cube of each term. I'm talking about guys, yung first term ng binomial at second term ng binomial. Now, para ma-continue nyo guys, let's have our next step. Sa step number 2, medyo komplikado to guys ha, para kailangan nyo pong itindihin. For the second term of the product, solve for the thrice the product of the square of the first term and the second term of the binomial. Ano bang ibig sabihin yun, sir? Kunwari, may first term tayong x. Sa second term natin, syempre, isang x at isang negative 5. So, pag nilagay natin guys yung mga nasolve natin na una, we have an x cube at saka yung 125 at saka negative 125. So, magpo-focus tayo sa second term. Ang unang gagawin nyo guys, kukunin nyo yung first term ng ating binomial, x. At ito ay inyong i-square. Okay? So, given our first term na x, pares po tayong may x squared na sagot ngayon. Tapos ang sabi daw, kailangan mo kunin yung product. Kaya i-multiply mo yung x squared o yung square ng first term sa second term ng ating binomial, which is 5. Sa kabila naman guys, we have 5. Sa kabilang banda naman ay negative 5. Tandaan nyo ha, dito po ay positive 5, dito ay negative 5. Then, after natin gawin yun guys, kukunin natin yung thrice. Kaya i-multiply natin sa 3, parehas. So, by simplifying guys, kung i-simplify po natin to, kung ito po ay x squared, so x squared times 5 times 3, we have a negative 15. Also, we have positive 15 x squared. Okay? Sa kabilang banda naman guys, x times x ay x squared times negative 5 x squared times 3 negative 15x squared. Kaya po dito guys, isang positive 15x squared at isang negative 15x squared. Anong ginawa natin guys doon ha? In-square ang first term. Ang sagot guys ay i-multiply sa second term natin ng binomial. Then after i-multiply, in-multiply yung sagot natin guys sa 3. O guys, in short lang, yun ay 3 times the square of the first term and the second term. So meron na po tayong tatlong term na sagot sa ating pong given item. So we're looking for the third term. Sa third term guys, ang gagawin naman natin, isosolve naman natin guys yung thrice the product of the square of the second term naman times the first term. So paano yun, sir? Di ba kanina ang in-square natin ay yung first term? Ngayon naman guys, kabaliktaran. Yung second term naman. Now, we're going to apply those term. Meron tayong first term na x at meron tayong second term na 5 at saka negative 5. Yan po yung mga sagot na nauna natin mga steps. So guys, ang una mong kukunin ay yung second term. Ang second term natin guys, isang positive 5 at isang negative 5. I-square natin yan. Kaya po ang sagot natin ay positive 25. Ay i-multiply mo sa x. So we have 25x times 3 po, we have 75x. So anong ginawa natin dito guys? So we have 5 times 5, which is our second term. Sabi daw i-square siya. Times x, kaya po ay 25x times 3, 75x. Sa kabilang banda naman guys, negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25 times x, 25x times 3, 75x. Kaya po guys, meron tayong third term na 75x. At pansin nyo guys, ito lang po yung pinagkaiba ng dalawang given natin na pattern for cube of binomial. Kapag ito guys ay negative, yung second term, pinag-uusapan natin guys ng binomial ay negative. Tandaan nyo guys ang second term at ang last term ay negative. Pero kung siya ay positive, ang second term at last term ay positive. Now, para guys, magkaroon tayo ng comparison at mas maintindihan nyo, I'm going to provide you other example na mas maganda ang ating discussion. So, try natin sa next example. So, ang first step natin guys ay kunin ang cube ng first term at last term para sa first term at last term ng ating sagot. So, after yun guys, susolve po natin para sa second term ang thrice ng product ng square ng first term times our second term. Tapos po sa third step natin, kunin naman natin guys yung thrice the product ng square ng ating second term multiplied by the first term. Okay? So, yun po yung pattern na buo natin. So, pansin nyo guys sa pattern natin, negative to, kaya po negative tong second term natin at saka last term. Now, if we're going to apply them, so we'll have y plus 2 cube, or the quantity y plus 2 cube. Another one is y minus 2 cube. Now guys, pares lang ang magiging sagot niyan. Ang pinagkaiba lang yung mga sign. For example, ang first term natin ay y, ang second term natin ay y at we have 2 at saka negative 2. So, first term y, second term 2. Ang gagawin, i-cube. So, ang una natin gagawin guys, si y birang first term ay ating i-cube, kaya po tayo ay may y cube. Si second term na positive 2, i-cube. Kaya po 2 times 2 times 2, kaya po naging 8. Okay po ba yun? Now, dun tayo sa second term guys. I-square natin si first term, kaya po tayo ay may y squared times 2. That is 2y squared times 3. Kaya po 6y squared. Yung product guys ng dalawa, laging times 3. Next. Ngayon naman, si 2 ang ating i-square, which is our second term, times y, kaya po tayo ay magiging 4y, times 3, kaya po 12y. Kaya po sagot natin ay y cube plus 6y squared plus 12y plus 8. So, ganun lang po kasimple yun guys. So, let's try the next item. Paano naman kapag y ang first term natin at negative 2 ang second term natin, tapos i-cube? So, same process, i-cube ang first term, kaya po tayo ay may y cube. Ang negative 2 po ay i-cube, kaya po tayo may negative 8. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. Na kapag negative yung given, kailangan po, pag kinube mo siya, negative din ang sagot. Next. We have the square of the first term. Para sa second term natin ito guys i-multiply mo sa negative 2. Kaya po naging negative y, negative 2y squared times 3. Kaya po negative 6y squared. Next item po natin, negative 2. Siya naman ang i-square natin guys. Kaya po tayo may 4 times y, 4y times 3, 12y. So guys, huwag kakalimutan yung 3 times after square, i-multiply doon sa kapartner, lagi i-multiply sa 3. Yun ang last nating solution para sa second term at saka sa third term. So yun po, we have y cube minus 6y squared plus 12y minus 8. So ulitin ko ang pinagkaiba lang nila guys ay yung sign po ng ating second term at ng last term. Now, para sa next example natin guys, we're going to multiply quantity AC plus B cube and the other one is quantity 4e minus 9 cube. So, start muna tayo dun sa ating first term na AC tsaka 4e. Tsaka yung isa naman guys ay second term natin, we have b at tsaka negative 9. So, magkaiba solution nito guys ha. So, first is AC, our first term. Followed by b, which is our second term ng ating unang given. I-cube sila guys. So, AC cube, that will become a cube, c cube. So, power of a product. The next guys is b. Na-raise sa third power, kaya naging b cube. For the middle part, we have AC raised to the second power. That will be a squared c times b times 3. Kaya po 3a squared b c squared. Huwag kakalimutan guys lagi yung times 3 ha. Next, for our third term, yung b squared naman ang e squared natin. Times AC times 3. Kaya po 3ab squared c. So, napakasimple lang po ng ginawa natin guys na. Next item, we have 4e minus 9. Cube po natin yung 4e cube. So, that will become 64e cube. We have negative 9 cube. Ito po ay laging negative ang maging sagot. Kaya po negative 729. Now, we have 4e squared para sa second term natin. That will become 16e squared. Times negative 9 times 3. Kaya po tayo ay may negative 432e squared. At para naman guys sa ating fourth term, yung negative naman 9 ang e-square natin. Kaya po meron tayong 81 times 4e times 3. Kaya po meron tayong 972e. So our final answer is 64e cube minus 432e squared plus 972e minus 729. At guys, yun po yung mga example kung paano natin isolve ang tinatawag nating cube of binomial. Now guys, para malaman ko whether you understand our topic, syempre, for today, I'm going to prefer you. I have preferred guys na at least 2 item here na para isolve ninyo at para malaman natin talaga kung naintindihan niyo yung ating topic. So get your ballpen guys and a paper. So after nito, babasahin ko lang yung given natin. Then after nun, mag-start tayo ng time natin for 5 minutes only. Okay? So guys, better use the pattern para mas alam po ninyo. But if you're doing it guys sa klase ninyo or sa inyong mismong worksheet, pag hindi naman kailangan guys ang solution, so you do not need to put solution because this is one special product. Pero if your teacher rather insists you to do such, so importante pong may solution din. So our operation guys is perform quantity c plus 11 cube and quantity 2e minus 1 cube. So for 5 minutes guys, so timer start now. Okay guys, time's up. Let's try to check your work whether you have the answer or not. So for C plus 11 cube or the quantity C plus 11 cube guys, ang sagot po natin ay C cube. 11 cube guys is 1,331. We have C raised to the second power times 11, that's 11C squared, times 3, that is 33C squared. Sa gitna naman guys, o sa third term natin, we have 11 squared, that's 121, times C, 121C, times 3, 363C. At ang sagot po natin ay C cube plus 33C squared plus 363C plus 1,331. And yun po yung sagot natin. Now, para po naman doon sa ating next na sagot, so before natin palang sagutan yung letter B, sino po sa inyo tumama? Okay, so make sure po tumama sa first item natin kasi napakadali lang po nun. At alam ko pong kaya nyo po yun guys. So next natin is, we have 2e squared, that will become 8e cube. We have negative 1 cube, that is negative 1. So yung 2e natin in square para sa first term natin times negative 1, that will become negative 4e squared times 3, kaya po negative 12e squared. Now for the third term natin rather, we have 1 squared, kaya po yun ay 1, times 2e times 3, kaya po tayo ay may 6e. Ang sagot po natin ngayon guys, para sa 2e minus 1 cube, we have 8e cube minus 12e squared plus 6e minus 1. At yun po yung sagot natin sa second item. And guys, I hope na tumama po kayo guys who got a 2 points or with same solution of what we done. So sana po tumama po kayo at I hope may natutunan po kayo sa topic natin for today, which is cube of binomial. So guys, I hope you learned something from our video. If you like this video, kindly like guys and comment below kung may tanong po kayo sa ating given item. So kung kayo guys ay may katanungan, clarification, suggestion para ma-improve po ang ating channel, so you are very free guys na i-comment down below yung inyong mga komento para po at least ma-refresh ang ating mga utak at makatulong din po tayo sa mga estudyante natin. And you provide me some example na pwede natin gamitin. So I hope guys I'm going to see you on my next video. So don't forget to like, follow, and share my page guys. Ito po yung aking mga social media account. So salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aking channel. So for this video po, meron na po akong 7,000 subscriber at going strong po ang ating channel. At maraming salamat po sa suportang ibinibigay nyo po sa akin palagi. So katulong po ang may kapal. So alam ko pong gagawa po ako ng maraming video para mas makatulong po sa ating mga estudyante. So ingat po kayo guys. God bless and sana po ay magkita po tayo ulit sa ating next video which is about square of trinomial. So guys, ingat po. God bless.